Alrighty, let's go do a cold start on the Buick. It's about 15, but it was a little bit warmer the other day, so all the snow just melted. So this is what we got out here right now. But there she is. Key for the mighty buck. I got a feeling the battery's gonna be dead. Oh. Okay. Put you right here, maybe. How's that? That works. Actually, let me turn on something else once. Yeah, let's try that. Rawr. No smell yet. Oh, that's a stinker. Let's try that again. Yarr. There you go, 67 Buick Special or Skylark or whatever you want to call it, cold start. What a beauty. A little low, let's give her some juice.